This is the LUK clutch kit. I purchased this from Summit Racing. I've heard a lot of the ones from Amazon are fakes. So also the company LUK does not warranty anything that's sold on Amazon, but they will warranty it for 1 year for the one on Summit Racing. So this is the part number here. I'll leave a link in the description to the one I purchased. But my clutch on my car actually wasn't bad. But what was bad was the fork, the clutch fork B, which is the one with the more narrow. My clutch fork no longer would move. It would just keep spinning. And I just wanted to show that on video, how these operate. This is clutch fork A. It's got the wider body on it. Here's the difference between the two of them. B is the lower one. And anyways, I wanted to show how these act when they fail. So I'm gonna bring the camera a little closer and set it down here. So this is clutch A. This one works. This is just a clutch tool, and it's a spline tool, and it fits in here. So when you turn it counterclockwise, there's a set of wheels right here that are gonna spin, and this retracts out like this. And it's usually about 10 full rotations to get it there. And then you rotate it back. It'll actually spring back because of the pressure of the clutch when it's in the vehicle. Now, if it's setting down like this and there's pressure on here, this is gonna go counterclockwise. It's gonna push up. Hopefully you can see it rising. And then the pressure from the fork is going to push it back, and it spins this. It's kind of hard to, there it goes. So I can push it forward. And then with the clutch pressure that's going to be on the vehicle, it's going to spin it back. So then it doesn't want to go clockwise. It should be stopped. It won't go clockwise, but it will go counterclockwise, and that's how it spins. So that's the normal operation. Now I'm going to show clutch B. Here's clutch B. I'll start spinning this one. Really hard to spin. As you can see, nothing's moving here. Spin it the other way. It goes both ways. It doesn't matter because the spline is busted somewhere in here. It's internally broken. So nothing happens. Doesn't matter how much I turn this, which way I turn it. So my clutch fork B wasn't doing anything. So I didn't have reverse, I didn't have second, fourth, or sixth gear. The car would still drive amazingly. I don't know how, but yeah, this does nothing. So clutch B failed. So I bought the entire kit. A friend of mine has done these before, so I just hired him to do it. And the kit comes with everything new. It was about $650 for the whole kit. Ford wanted about, I think $1,800 for all the materials, and they wanted 9 hours labor. We also replaced this with the O-rings. Forgot what this part's called. I think this is the bearing seal right here, and you can see how bad these parts, how much debris is on them. And I don't think this thing was bad or anything, but I replaced all of it because it all comes in this kit. These are just the retainers that come on the new clutch forks. This is the old clutch, and like I said, my clutch was actually not bad, but it comes with all the new circlips. You're not supposed to reuse them, so it's good that it comes with all those. I also replaced both the top and bottom actuator, and oh, here's the other, this is the other retainer clip. So the clutch comes preloaded, so everything's good on it. I don't know much about these clutches. I don't know if this is how they're supposed to look. I'm not really sure. But like I said, everything worked fine until I lost clutch B. I don't know what caused it to break. I just had the TCM replaced about a month ago and then it failed. So I just wanted to show a video real quick on how those forks operate because I didn't understand them at all. So the larger fork presses in this outer clutch and the smaller fork presses in this inner clutch. I know I'm showing you pressing it in here, but it's actually on these clutch retainer rings right here. This one will press on here and the larger one presses on the outer ring here. So that's what those clutch forks actually do. Let me see if I can show this a little better. It would be like this, like that, and this would press on there. And then the smaller one would press on the smaller ring, and it sets up inside here and pushes on there like that. So hope this helps someone else understand how these work, and that's all I got. Thanks for watching.